How to make a candle from scratch. To make a candle, you will need the following: wax, paraffin, soy, beeswax, or any other type of wax, a heat source such as a double boiler or microwave, a candle mold or container, a wick, and you can purchase a wick pre-made, or you can just make your own by dipping string into wax. You will need some type of fragrance or essential oils. Now this is optional, but it definitely makes for a better result. Also dye, so you can make the candle the color of your choosing. Now here's a simple method for making a candle. Number 1. Melt the wax using a double boiler or microwave. If using a double boiler, place the wax in a heat-safe container and set it in a pot of boiling water. If using a microwave, melt the wax in 30-second increments, stirring between each interval. Step 2. While the wax is melting, place the wick in the center of the candle mold or container. Step 3. If you want to add fragrance or essential oils or dyes to the candle, stir it into the melted wax. Step 4. Pour the melted wax into a mold or container, making sure the wick stays centered. Step 5. Allow the candle to cool and solidify completely. This can take several hours or overnight, depending on the size of your candle. Step 6. Trim the wick to about 1/4 of an inch before lighting the candle. And that's it. With a little patience, you can easily make your own candle at home.